Data alone doesn't cut it, but data with the right context and insight, that's powerful. Octave transforms data and intelligence into decisions and action. With solutions tuned to solve challenges of any scope, at any scale, across the world's most essential industries, from factory floors to entire cities, from critical incidents to ongoing operations, Octave sharpens performance, elevates efficiency, optimizes impact. 45 countries, over 7,000 employees, 14,000 customers, decades of expertise, all working in concert to scale up possibilities and deliver the resilience needed to build a more unbreakable world. With Octave, every step is an opportunity. With insights sharp enough to cut through the noise, give customers an edge, and unleash intelligence at scale.